Hi there, welcome to this Figma Quick Start tutorial, episode 4. Today we are talking about styles and variables. First, let's talk about the text style. For example, this is a huge title. I can create a new text style by clicking these 4 dots here and plus button and name. Let's say it's huge title. What's it for? For huge title only. So create style. Now, as you can see, we have a new text style called huge title here. How do we use it? We can select the text block and then click here for dots and select huge title. Now, this new tutorials today text block is exactly the same as the Hello Net Good Morning font. So how do we adjust this text style? We can adjust it by clicking here, Edit Style, and here. Let's say it's too big for this page. It's 28. Okay, so all the text blocks applied with this text style will change accordingly. And I can adjust this line height as well. Let's say it's 30. Now all the text blocks changed. So the text style feature is something like the hierarchy of the HTML language. We have H1 to H6 for all the text we need. Okay, let's move on to the color style. We can define this red as a color style by clicking these 4 dots here and create and style name. Let's say it's theme. What's it for? For the theme color. Okay, create style. And then if we need this color, we can change the color by clicking here 4 dots and select theme. Also here, let's say this tab button theme. Also, we can apply this color to a component. So all the instances of this component will change. So how do we manage color? We can simply adjust this theme color by clicking here, Edit Style, and then let's say it's blue now. So all the elements with this color style will change accordingly. Next, let's talk about the effect style. Here on this card, we have an effect called drop shadow. We can define this effect as a style by clicking here, name. Let's say the name is shadow for cast shadow. So create style. Now, as you can see, here we have a new style called shadow. How do we use it? You probably know it already. We can use it by here for dots and shadow. Meanwhile, we can apply this effect style to main component so that all the instances will change. Now 4 dots and shadow, and you can see here shadows as well. How do we change or adjust the effect style? It's similar. Click here and adjust here. Let's say the blur should be 12 and Y direction, let's say it's 3. Now, as you can see, all the elements with this effect style changed. So that's the basics of style feature. That's how we manage our text, our color, and the effect. Now let's see how can we use variables in this scenario. Now instead of creating a new color style, we can create a new variable of a color. Let's say it's red. Create variable. And next, let's create another variable called blue. By here, new variable blue. So if we need this color, we can change the color here First, we need to detach the style, and then click here. We can apply the variables here. Let's say it's blue, or we can detach and change it to red. Now it's not just a red, it's the red. And meanwhile, we can change these colors here to, let's say, it's blue. Now, once we need to change the color, we can edit the local variables here by opening this table. And let's say blue is not so blue, some kind the blue between blue and green. So all the colors with this blue variable will change. So that's the variable feature. Hope you like it. That's all for today's tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please like, share, subscribe. In the next and also the last one, we will cover the prototype and animation. Until next time, take care. Bye.